Cauliflower fried rice is a low-carb meal that is packed with lots of healthy vegetables. It's so delicious and really satisfying. Guys, I'll be showing you how to make cauliflower fried rice in today's video. Stay tuned and see how we make this. To make cauliflower fried rice, you will need 1 large head of cauliflower or 2 small heads of cauliflower. So all you just need to do is to remove the floret from the greenish part. Next, you're going to rinse your cauliflower in salted water. You can also use vinegar or lemon juice to rinse your cauliflower. This will help get rid of bacteria or any microorganism that is not wanted in your cauliflower. You can leave the cauliflower head to sit in the salted water for at least 10 minutes or more. At the end of the 10 minutes, remove the cauliflower from the salted water and rinse it thoroughly to get rid of salt. Next, you're going to rise your cauliflower using a hand grater. You can use your regular food processor to make this. This will be ready in the next 3 minutes. So I'm using the medium hole to do this. Once you're done grating your cauliflower, they should appear somehow like rice granules. You can discard the hard part. Go ahead and place a large pan on the stove top. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to the pan. Once the oil is heated, add a 1/4 cup of chopped red onion to it. Saute this for a minute or until translucent. Once your onion is translucent, go in with 3 minced garlic cloves. Saute this for 30 seconds. Next, go in with a 1/4 cup of chopped red bell peppers, 1 large chopped carrot, 1/2 cup of green peas. After 3 minutes of cooking the veggies on low heat, they should have wilted. Now go in with the riced cauliflower. Season this with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir this and let the seasoning mix together. Stir to prevent the cauliflower from sticking to the bottom of the pan and cook for a minute. After that, push everything to one side of the pan and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Go in with 2 weeks egg. Cook the egg for a minute until it sets on low heat. Once the egg has set slightly, try breaking this up with the help of a spatula. Once you have your scrambled egg just like this, stir it back into the cauliflower fried rice. You can test for more pepper and salt and adjust if need be. I'd love to add just a little bit of salt and black pepper And then go in with 3 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. Stir this again together and let everything combine beautifully. Cook for just a minute until all the flavors mingle together. And then turn up your heat. Your cauliflower fried rice is ready. And it tastes really amazing. This cauliflower fried rice looks and tastes just like a regular fried rice. You can even differentiate it. You can decide to serve your cauliflower fried rice as a low-carb side dish or as a main dish. This is super delicious and healthy. I hope you try this recipe out and let me know how this cauliflower fried rice recipe tastes. Thank you guys for watching this video. You can like and share the video with your friends. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And click on the bell button so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, I really love to see you very soon. Bye.